Eastern Economic Corridor, or EEC, is a regional development project covering the area of three major provinces in the eastern part of Thailand: Chonburi, Rayong, and Chachoengsao, with more than 1.5 billion baht investment in infrastructure from private and public sectors. This strategic location will uplift the industry, enhance competitiveness, and ultimately bring prosperity to the national economy. Eastern Economic Corridor of Innovation, or EECi, provides key mechanisms for technology and innovation development in order to nurture advanced technology-based industries with 6 focused industries. EECi is located at Wangjan Valley, Rayong Province. This innovation hub is equipped with not only translational research infrastructure, but also human resources, supporting mechanisms to encourage research and development through these innovation platforms. EECi Biopolis, EECi Auripolis, EECi Space Innopolis, Food Innopolis.
EECi is the innovation hub in the EEC. It acts as the focal point linking research and innovation across Thailand. In order to achieve that goal, we position ourselves as the platform for technology scale-up, technology localizations, and technology demonstrations for the 6 targeted industries. The 6 targeted industries, these are the aim for the country, comprised of first, the modern agriculture, second, biorefineries, third, modern transport, fourth, smart electronics or things that related to Industry 4.0. Fifth is aviation aerospace, and sixth, medical devices. Set up a budget for EECi development at about 30 billion Thai baht. Out of this budget, about 20 billion Thai baht have been approved for proceed. Okay. This investment will go into the setup of major infrastructures that will support the development of the targeted industries. To name a few of these investments, I'd like to point out the investment in the biorefinery pilot plant, which will act as a platform to help scaling up of the research regarding to biochemicals and functional ingredients, as well as supporting technology localization from abroad. The second project that I'd like to point out is the investment in the what we call Sustainable Manufacturing Centers, or SMC. These centers is aiming at the supporting of the Thai industries to going into the journeys of Industry 4.0. The third platform that I like to point out is the development of Singleton facilities. These Singleton facilities will be the largest and most up-to-date facilities in Southeast Asia. The 3 projects that I mentioned alone cover a budget framework of nearly 20 billion Thai baht, and it has already been approved by the Thai government to proceed to the setup and construction. The construction now is progressed more than 50% and is due to complete by the middle of next year. And after that, all the major scientific infrastructures will be installed. And for example, the biorefinery power plant will start installations sometime next year and should finish within 2022, and we should be able to have it go live by 2023. And the other platform is Sustainable Manufacturing Centers, or SMC. This will begin the installation by next year, and it should be able to begin the operations by the end of next year, while the installment of the second phase is continuing in the next year, in the year to follow. For the Singleton facilities, the design, the detailed engineering design of the facilities will start next year, and the construction will proceed afterwards. The incentive for the investor invest in research and innovation in the EECi can be divided into two folds. First, tax incentives. The Board of Investment of Thailand have given out maximum incentives of up to 13 years of tax exemptions to research and innovation investors in EECi. The second incentive is non-tax incentives. This is in three areas. The first area is access to human resource, including joint development of human resource. Second is access to research work and the collaboration to develop or localize advanced technologies into the countries. And third is on access to major infrastructures that the government invests in EECi. This including the biorefinery pilot plant, the sustainable manufacturing centers, the Singleton facilities, as well as other things like the regulatory sandbox or other infrastructure that are coming in EECi.
The ultimate goal of EECi is to become an integrated platform for universities, public and private sectors, local communities, as well as local and international research institutes, which encourages technology development and innovation with work-life balance environment. Companies can rent a long-term leasehold land or an office in the building for research and development, and can also exploit the benefits of maximum BOI privileges. Regulatory sandbox as a testing ground for their innovation and resources of talent.
Well, I'd like to take these opportunities to extend my invitations to all friends, locally and globally, to come and work with us in developing the EECi. This can be in many areas, including the working together to globalize advanced products from local bioresource in the countries. Second, the area of opportunity could be to localize advanced technologies from abroad to uplift and update our local industries. And third, to working together to jointly develop new talents, new pool of talents for the advanced technology that are being developed in Thailand. Or the collaboration can be simply to come and share use our infrastructures that we invest in EECi. And of course, if you have any win-win arrangement, win-win opportunities that will benefit both you and the development of Thailand, we are definitely would like to hear about it and willing to work with you to achieve the common goals together. So come and work with us. We're looking forward to see you at EECi. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
EECi. Integrate technologies. Accelerate innovation.